G'day everyone, welcome to Mudabung Aussie. Today we're doing a classic, iconic Aussie dish, the old Aussie burger. Now a few of you might cringe at some of the ingredients we put in it, but hey, Aussies are Aussies. We like to do things our own way. Everybody's still got the beef patty, egg, bacon, cheese, tomato, onion, lettuce, but we love to have beetroot. Can't do an Aussie burger without pickled beetroot inside it. So we go by the step-by-step guide of how you do a classic Aussie burger. Cheers everyone. Cheers everyone and welcome back. Here it is here, the classic Aussie burger, all ready to go, all ready to eat. Like I said, Aussies have a few quirks when it comes to their cooking, but it's compulsory. You got to have beetroot in an Aussie burger. Give it a try. You never know, you just might like it. Every country's got their own quirks of the way they do food, but like I say, give it a try. I'm sure you'll love it. I won't eat it here, but the patty there is 250 grams of meat, plenty of meat. Just cook it to about medium rare, take it off the rest. And like I say, you've got the egg, the bacon, the cheese, tomato. I've got tomato sauce, or ketchup as you call it in other countries, on the bottom, and the mayonnaise on the top for the salad. Like I say, give it a go. I'm sure you will like it. I know us Aussies do. And please hit the like button and subscribe button. Please leave a comment below and we'll see you for the next video. I'm about to have me lunch now, so cheers everyone from Mudabung Aussie.